How to restore a missing Windows desktop. When using Windows, under certain circumstances the Windows desktop will not be shown. When this happens, when you log into Windows instead of seeing the desktop, Start menu, or your normal icons, you are shown a blank screen instead. This type of behavior is usually caused by malware or misconfigured programs that block the Explorer.exe process from executing. Since the Explorer process cannot be launched, the Windows desktop is not displayed when you log in. If you are unable to see the Windows desktop or your start menu after a program runs or when you log into Windows, you need to manually launch the Explorer.exe process from Task Manager. To do this, press the CTRL+ALT+DEL. At the above screen, click on the Task Manager option as indicated by the red arrow. This will launch the Task Manager as seen below. We now need to click on the More Details option, as indicated by the arrow above, in order to give us the ability to launch a task. In the Create New Task field that is opened, type Explorer and then click on the OK button as shown below. After pressing the OK button, the Explorer.exe process will start and you will see the desktop and start menu again. Your desktop and start menu will now be visible and you can begin diagnosing what caused it to not appear. If you are a system administrator, IT professional, or a power user, it is common to find yourself using the command prompt to perform administrative tasks in Windows. Whether it be copying files, accessing the registry, searching for files, or modifying disk partitions, command line tools can be faster and more powerful than the graphical alternatives. This tutorial will walk you through. When using Windows, there will ultimately come a time when you need to close a program that is frozen, is malware, or is simply not behaving properly. Unfortunately, sometimes just clicking on the Windows Close button does not close a program properly. This guide will teach you how to use the Windows Task Manager to close a program in Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Sometimes when you create a Hyper-V virtual machine, you may name it with a name that is not accurate or that you no longer wish to use. This article will provide 3 methods to rename a Hyper-V virtual machine so that it uses the name that you want. This tutorial will explain how to open an elevated command prompt in Windows 10. You can use this command prompt to type commands that will be executed with administrative privileges. If you have forgotten your Windows password and have previously created a Windows password reset disk, you can use this disk to change your password to a new one. This will allow you to log into Windows again using the new password. This tutorial will walk you through the steps of resetting a Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8 password using a password reset disk. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source, bleepingcomputer.com.